Imagine a country having its own giant investment fund, just like billionaires manage their wealth. But instead of a single person, this fund belongs to an entire nation. This is called a sovereign wealth fund, and countries like Norway, China, and even the US have them. But what exactly are they? How do they work? And can they impact your investments? Let's find out. Chapter 1. What is a sovereign wealth fund? A sovereign wealth fund, SWF, is a state-owned investment fund, created by a country to manage its financial reserves. Think of it like a government savings account, but instead of keeping cash idle, the country invests it in global markets, stocks, bonds, real estate, and even businesses. For example, Norway has the world's largest SWF, worth over $1.4 trillion. It invests in tech companies, oil, and infrastructure, helping grow Norway's wealth for future generations. Chapter 2. How do sovereign wealth funds work? But where does the money come from? Most SWFs are funded by natural resource revenues, like oil and gas exports, or trade surpluses from a strong economy. Governments invest this money in different assets to generate long-term returns. This helps stabilize the economy, prepare for crises, and even fund national projects. Chapter 3. U.S. Sovereign Wealth Fund, does it exist? Unlike Norway or China, the United States doesn't have a traditional sovereign wealth fund. But wait, some U.S. states do. For example, Alaska's permanent fund manages $70 billion, funded by oil revenues. Every year, Alaskan citizens receive a dividend check from the fund's profits. Similarly, Texas has a wealth fund for education, ensuring schools are financially secure. There have been discussions about creating a national SWF in the US, but for now, it mainly manages assets through pension funds and state-level investment programs. Chapter 4. Why should you care? So why does this matter to you? SWFs invest in stocks, real estate, and bonds, influencing global markets. If you own stocks in Apple, Google, or Tesla, chances are a sovereign wealth fund is invested in them too. This means that the financial health of these funds affects global stock prices, property values, and even currency exchange rates. So now you know what a sovereign wealth fund is and how it impacts the economy. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and let me know in the comments, should the US create a national sovereign wealth fund? Let's discuss.